Be there. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common issue that many of us face when using our devices. You guessed it, the problem we're tackling today is, picture this. You're working on a computer or browsing the web, and suddenly you encounter this frustrating problem that disrupts your workflow. It can be annoying, right? Let's talk about the solution to this pesky problem. The solution we have is this method has been proven to effectively address the issue and help you get back to using your device without any interruptions. By following these steps, you'll be able to resolve the problem in no time and continue with your tasks seamlessly. Remember, the key to overcoming this problem is to implement the solution we discussed earlier. By carefully following the steps and guidelines provided, you'll be able to troubleshoot the issue quickly and efficiently. Don't let those tech glitches slow you down. Take charge and resolve the problem like a pro. In summary, dealing with the problem can be a hassle, but with the right solution at hand, you can easily overcome it. Remember to stay calm and follow the steps we've outlined to fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy troubleshooting.